Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix the volume problem on your LEGO M91 Pro. First, adjust media and call volume in settings. Go to sound and vibration. Make sure media volume is turned up around 80-85% and call volume is set to max. Scroll down and make sure Do Not Disturb is not enabled, since that mutes notifications and calls. Next, clean the speakers. There are two on the back. Make sure they're thoroughly cleaned with no dirt inside that could block the sound. Restart the phone to refresh the system. Press the power button and volume up button, then tap restart. This should fix any minor glitches. After the restart, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll down to System, tap System Updates, and if yours isn't up to date, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.